Hello, good morning everyone. And in the previous session, I have discussed the file and file methods, file operations, and syntax, and open a file, close a file, and append a file. So please go through my channel Jairam Infotech and subscribe my channel and like my videos, and please watch the previous session in order to get the concept, and then watch this session after the previous session. So in this class we have discussed about the file position. So we will discuss the file position. So what is meant by file? So we had the first one is the tell method tells the current position within the file. In other words, next read or write will occur at that bytes from the beginning of the file. Next one is the seek method. The seek method, it has the two arguments for parameter. First one is the offset and next one the from method. So changes the current file position. So consider the program in order to get the concept. So suppose I have opened a file, fo is a variable, and it initializes to open a file fo.txt. This is already created and is opening in r plus mode. Then string is equal to, I have read the 10 lines and the value is stored into the string, and the same string is printed onto the output. How many lines I have read so far that are printed onto the output screen. Next, the current position, where I have in the current position in the file, so the position is printed onto the output screen. Next, the pointer, reposition pointer at beginning. So pointer is in the middle of the file, so I have to bring back the pointer to the start of the screen by so then after we bring the pointer to bring back the pointer to the start of the screen, then closing the same file. This is the way we can with the file positions. Next one is the renaming and deleting. These are two different methods, how you rename a file, how you delete a file. This is the concept, the syntax, the rename a file, current file name and new file name. This is the two arguments. It has an example here. Suppose import to OS. This is the one type of package or interface importing into the program. Next, renaming a file, how OS start rename, that I am renaming a file by this is a rename is the method. It has two arguments. Text1.text is a old file name, text2.text new file name. As soon as compile executed at this line, my file name, my new file name would be the text2.txt. It has changed, the file name has changed from text1 to text2. Next one, the remove method. So I have the remove method. It has only one argument, file name. So import voice is interface. Next, removing the file name, I am removing the file name of text2.text. I have the file called text2. I am removing the file with the by calling the method remove. And next one is the I have the dictionary. So a dictionary means all files are contained within the various dictionaries, and Python has no problem handling these dictionaries. So it has some methods to handle the dictionary. First one is the make directory method. So by using the make directory method of the OS to create the directories in the current directory. So OS dot, so the syntax for the make directory is mk means make a dir means directory, OS dot make directory of a new directory. And then consider the example, import OS of creating a directory. That means OS dot make directory of test. So I have taken a created a new directory test, where in the test directory I have the different types of files. And next one is the change directory. Here I am changing the directory old directory to new directory by using the by using the method chdir. That means change directory. OS dot change directory of new directory. Here passing new directory name as an argument, as an parameter to the change directory method. As soon as here taken a small program, import OS, and then calling the change directory of home. Here I am passing the path of the new directory as an argument to the change directory method. And next one is the get current working directory. That means in which directory I am working and how many files are there in the current working directory. So this method, get current working directory method, tell us. So we want to know from this method get current working directory. So import OS, and next one is the get current working directory method. As soon as I call the method, the current working directory in which you are working will be displayed onto the output screen. And next one is the remove directory. So create a directory and make a directory. Here I am removing the directory by using the rmdir method of directory name. Here I have taken a small program, import OS. That means importing a function OS, and next one is the RM directory of path name, where the directory has created. I have passed the path as a parameter to the removed directory, and the entire directory I have created will be removed from the list. So this is the way to create a directory, make a directory, remove a directory. So we have the file and different types of methods are there on files and directory related methods. So these are the important sources. Why? Because which provides a wide range of utility methods. These are utility methods to handle and multiple files and directories on Windows and Unix operation systems. So file object methods tell us provides the functions to manipulate the files. So how many functions are there? What are different types of functions we use when you manipulate the files in the file object module? Next one is the OS object, means this method provides the files as well as the directories. So here are the different types of methods on files as well as on the directories. So I shall discuss the one by one method syntax and its use in a program in next class. So for that, please subscribe my channel. You have to wait for the next class. In next class I shall discuss the file object methods and directory object methods. Please subscribe my channel Jerem Infotech and like my videos, share my videos to reach many viewers, and comment if you have any doubts. And thank you one and all. Have a nice day.